Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to show private key in Phantom Wallet. So for this purpose, first you need to open Phantom Wallet at your browser. Once you open Phantom Wallet, then here at the top left corner, you have this button, tap on it. Then this type of page will appear on the left side of your Phantom Wallet. At the bottom left corner, you have the button of settings, click on it. Then settings page will appear. On settings page, you have the option of manage accounts, tap on it. And then from here choose that account of which you want to show private key. So here I have only one account, so I just tap on it. Then on this page you have the option of show private key, click on it. Then here what you need to do, enter your password of your Phantom Wallet. And don't forget that your private key is the only way to recover your wallet. And remember that do not share your private key to anyone. Here you have this option, just click on it and then tap on next button. So this is the easiest and simplest way to show private key in Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.